Welcome back. The print function is the most common way to generate output in Python. It takes 0 or more expressions, converts them to text, and writes them to a stream, usually the console. 1. Printing multiple objects. You can pass multiple objects separated by commas to the print function. By default, it automatically separates these objects with a single space. 2. The sep parameter. The optional sep parameter stands for separator. It allows you to specify a custom string that will be inserted between the objects being printed, instead of the default space. 3. The end parameter. By default, the print function adds a new line character, \n, at the end of the output. The end parameter allows you to replace this new line with any other string, which is useful for printing things on a single line. Notice how loading and complete appear on the same line because we set end to an empty string in the first print call. To summarize, the print function is highly flexible. Master the sep and end parameters to control the formatting of your output precisely. Controlling the output text may be done alongside string formatting. Our next lecture 0703, Print and String Formatting.